Today that's my brother, cause we do mukbang.
Yep. Brother and sister mukbang. Today we're gonna eat ramen. Kimchi ramen, my favorite.
Yeah, me too. Cause I love it.
Yep.
Okay, today.
This is a type of ramen, vegan ramen.
This is how you cook it.
Okay, to cook it you need to boil water.
Yeah, you need to boil water, so you have to put in there.
Open it. And guys, when you open it, you want to open it to these lines that you see. And then take this out.
A little bit because it's spicy for you.
That little? You have a lot, Oppa.
Yeah, I know.
Cause you're bad, cause you're big. My name is chopsticks.
Ooh.
Mommy.
What should we talk about? We gotta wait about like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
No. 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes. So you have
to wait and you want to put something on top of it.
Yeah, so we had to get chopsticks when we done finish it.
You want to grab like chopsticks or something and make sure the lid closes. Like that. Payne's gonna be using
my chopsticks.
Show them how you use it, Peppy. Show them how you use it.
Show them how you use it.
Pita.
So we have to do this when we done.
Pita.
Yeah.
Do you love ramen?
Yeah.
Do you love Oppa?
Yeah.
Do you love Mommy?
Yeah.
Give Oppa a hug. Do you love Oppa?
I did.
No, you didn't. Did you hear your bones crack?
Pita, tell them what happened to you yesterday. Show them what happened with the bee.
Okay, when did you on your house where you close my real one, and then we was going home, and I'm Bumblebee sting my foot.
Which foot was
Which
this
foot?
Not that one foot.
No, where?
This big. Yeah.
Show them your foot. Tell them it's okay.
Good, I feel better now.
Yeah, you feel better now?
Yeah. Can you bring me inside?
It'll bring you inside.
Yeah. And then she holds me.
She hold you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have to take the stinger out?
What?
Did you have to take the stinger out?
The mom put it out.
I never got stung by a bee. Have you, Mom?
No.
Only me.
High five. Nope.
It is check. It's check.
I'll see about like 2 more.
Yeah.
That's pretty done.
Gotta mix.
So, since the noodles are like stuck together, you have to like mix it around.
Yeah. Mine's not done yet. Wait, Mommy. What is that?
We're gonna put Peppy's in here because it's too hot for her.
Yeah. So I had to mix it around, so it's gonna be all over here. I can't see the camera because it's too little for it to see.
Oh, hot. Hot. We're also gonna be eating mother-in-law's kimchi. This is regular napa cabbage, not white kimchi, just plain. I'm also going to be drinking water and some rice.
Mommy fell.
This is so awkward.
I'm not glad you dropped it.
Yo, slurp it in, slurp it in. Don't cut it, don't cut it. Good job, good job. Okay, you do the same thing. Let's see how you do it. Slurp your noodle in.
Ow.
Don't cut it. Hey, you can't cut the noodle. This one how the camera does it. You gotta slip it. Let's slip it in.
I had to. What's it? Mommy, is it here?
It's okay.
Let's touch it.
Guys,
Good girl.
follow me on j.tang. Facts.
Girl, puppy. Good girl. Isn't that so weird? But like the cup is so little, but it seems like there's like endless noodle in there, right? You don't always feel like that. Every time I eat cup noodle, that's how I feel. So how's the vegan
It's good.
noodle?
And this one tastes like more. It tastes like it's seasoned. Like
So, I want the kimchi, but I love kimchi. I want the
yeah.
carrot eat. Give me. Whoa. So I watch it and then I eat it. Real hot dog. But it's really not sour, but it's not sour.
And so you can finish it first.
How do you finish first?
You want me to finish first?
Yeah.
Jaden,
Yeah.
you get good grades at school, right?
Yep.
What's the secret?
Secret: study. Study. Okay. Don't go outside. You know.
Stop. Listen. Don't give them textbook answer. Give them your answer.
Okay, so-
what's your secret? I'm not asking no
My
textbook
secret is you don't.
Gosh, I'm not even in the camera and make me scream at you.
Wait, so this is what you do. When you study, you don't want to study all like the first time, the first day. You want to study a lot, but then the most you want to study is the last day, the day before the test.
Yeah.
So then you get it all in your brain.
Yeah.
So wait, so if you study,
You want to like study lightly.
So what you're saying is if
Mommy.
you, yeah,
Mommy, so you have to be quiet, right?
yeah. So you're saying that if you, as long as you study, you get good grades. Exactly. So what do you need to do to get good grades? You get good grades, right? And you're pretty popular at school, right? You're well-rounded, right? So what's your secret? Tell them your secret.
My secret: just be yourself.
Oh.
Be yourself. Don't.
yourself?
Yeah. Don't get in too much trouble. You can get in a little trouble.
I think it's reading. I think you need to read a lot. What do you think? Jaden likes to read, right?
Kind of.
Yeah, Jaden was a reader from day one. He likes to read.
Well, I
Whoa.
got
Don't
a
let his
big
hair
one.
fool you.
I got a big one.
Some people are
I
like,
got a big
Jaden,
one.
you're like my neighbor. Like you kind of look dumb, Jaden. I'm like, I know. And then they look at my report card and they're like,
That's right, that's right.
Wait.
Doesn't matter what they think of you, right? It's what it matters because you know yourself.
Ben's going to preschool next year, right?
Yeah.
To go. Don't go up.
What else is important when you go to school?
Listen to the teachers.
Mommy.
But grades don't even matter. Does grade matter? No.
Elementary school, they don't matter that much. It's middle school and high school.
Yeah, but in life, grade doesn't really matter, Jaden. What matters? What do I teach you?
Just be yourself.
What else?
Where's the mirror? Guys, you do you.
What else? What else do I teach you?
You guys want to be well-rounded.
Well-rounded and be what to people?
Kind.
That's right.
Can't, you know.
Tell them the story.
Mommy, very
You can't give people too much else.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, change, and we go.
Can I just pour this in here? Ooh.
I want rice. I want rice.
You have to first eat your rice, boo. Your noodles, boo.
This rice is hard.
Tastes good. Cold rice.
Food is it. But how do I see it like
If
that?
you eat all your rice, if you noodle, then you get rice. Oh, that's the best part, right? Mommy Tang, how come you're not eating with them? Don't you know I'm on diet, yo? I eat throughout my eyes today. Slurping and all, just like you guys. I'm behind the camera, just like you guys. Slurping, wishing I could have a little bite of it, but I'm on a diet. No junk food diet. I don't know, a couple weeks or so. Oh my gosh, it's for real, for real. Oh my god, look at what he did. Do you like see? Such a mess.
Guys, Saturday, you're in for a surprise.
What? You are? We are?
Guess what's coming?
Oh, that's a surprise, yo. Keep that to yourself.
Hey guys, guess who's getting an account soon?
No, Ducky's not getting an account.
What? There's already a fan account. Tim's Edits made it.
You wanna go up.
So tell them what happened at 7-Eleven the other day, Jada. Tell them what happened at 7-Eleven the other day.
What?
How the change, the money change thing.
What are you talking about?
Remember when we went to baseball?
Oh.
Tell them that story. I raised him good. I raised him good. When I heard this story, I was proud of my son. Tell them your story. Tell them your story.
So guys, I had a baseball game. Once I was done, you know, I was thirsty. So I went to 7-Eleven, right? You know how they have like the Arizona teas? They're like $1 each. So I took one, I had $5. I gave him the $5, so he gave me $4 and change. But he gave me the 5 back accidentally. So like I was halfway outside. I looked at the change, instead of $4, it was like 9. So then I had to like run inside and give him the 5 back.
Then?
And then he was like, oh thanks.
What did he say?
He's like, this made my day or something.
Yeah.
You know,
and there was a couple guys in line.
You're like, what a good kid.
Yeah. The funny thing is, Jay didn't even tell me this till like weeks later, I think. He just told me. I was like, that's good, Jay. Hey guys, it's Mommy Tang. What's up, Tang Gang? I'm sorry. Today, the video is going to be really loud. My son has,
Basketball game?
I don't know, like 4 friends or something. 4 or 5 people, I don't know. And they're watching basketball game. And I ordered pizza for them, so I didn't cook dinner. I ordered my local pizza shop. I ordered some garlic bread and a salad. I don't order pizza anymore because, you know, I could order vegetable pizza and everything, but I wanted to have garlic bread. So I told them,
can you make me a garlic bread without using any butter but use olive oil? And they're like, yeah. Usually local pizza shops, they're good with that because they have, you know, they have lot of olive oil. They don't really use butter. Well, I guess they do, but look what I got. Oh, look at this garlic bread. What happened?
I'm just going to grab my phone.
Alright. I also asked for garden salad with grilled peppers, red peppers, and just cucumber and tomatoes. No dressing. I never get dressing. I'm gonna have some garlicky bread tomorrow. Okay, that one at one. One thing about this pizza shop near my house, that they have amazing bread. They have cheesesteak and hoagies and stuff like that, but their bread is really crispy outside, like light crispy, but really soft inside. So garlic bread, oh, so good there. They drizzled olive oil, some garlic, real garlic. It's not one of those fake garlic powder, they put real garlic in there. And some parsley on the top with paprika. It's open!
What is that?
Wonderful.
Fine. Does this one, Mommy?
Huh?
This one? Thank you. Yeah.
I'm sorry, when you have kids in the house, especially in summer when they have no school, this is the quietest it gets. No?
I like it. It's so spicy.
Too spicy?
Yeah. Can I try this one?
Okay, are you gonna eat all that? Maybe.
Mom, this is so good. It's not spicy. Bye-bye.
Bye. Let me tell you have a fork. I forgot. Girl, stay quiet! There's a whole bunch of boys, you know, they're always loud. They're like, can I be in your mukbang? Can I be in your mukbang? You need to get your parents' permission. Too much garlic. Do you see all this garlic? Ooh. Man, if you use garlic like this, you're gonna have garlicky bread for like at least 3 days or something. Come on, Bo.
Of course. You're doing that. You're doing that. And some bread. Thanks.
since I'm eating garlic bread, let me tell you a little story time. Let me tell you a little story, okay? When I was living in Italy, I'm Korean. I love my fellow Koreans. I do. You know what I mean? You have a special connection with Koreans. But that doesn't mean all Koreans are good. You know? There are amazing Koreans out there, but also there are nasty Koreans out there too. I'm glad in a way that I met a really bad Korean family when I went to Italy. I think it was all meant to be, you know? Let me tell you a story. So I was living in Canada. My major was music always, but I wanted to change my major. So I told my mom I wanted to do singing. I said, singing? No, yeah, I want to do singing. I was like, I want to learn opera, you know? I really love opera, I want to learn opera. And there were a couple girls that I saw singing opera, and I was so inspired and I was so touched. I was crying and stuff. I was like, oh, I want to be like them, you know? Music teacher that used to teach me violin, I used to major in violin, he said, if you want to learn opera, you have to go to Italy. That's where it's at. So I was like, okay. I got my visa all done within a couple months, and my mom had a connection with this friend, and this friend said, oh, I went to Italy and I became really close with this tour guides. They have tour guides in Italy for Koreans, so when the Koreans go to Italy, they have Korean speaking tour guides. They seem like nice people. Why don't you, you know, maybe they could help your daughter get set up in Rome. You know? I don't think mukbang is working. I'm getting annoyed, so if you guys are on the other side listening to this, you guys are probably very annoyed. Some of you listen with me with the earphone on. So I'm gonna stop here actually. I'll continue the story some other time. I'm sorry, okay? It's for your good and my good. Oh. I told you when the school's over, I am so screwed. Story will be continued. Sorry.